Hey, what's up everyone? This is Cowboy B here with another DIY hack video to help you guys out to keep your SeaDek Traction Max or just your jet ski taken care of in general. So what we have here is a Milwaukee cordless vacuum cleaner, 2 gallon. So it's a really great item. I use it to clean out my car and everything, but the main thing I do, I clean out the footwells from the water. So, suck the footwells out of the water. So that's what we do with it. So I want to show you what we have here. It's real compact. Everything is up here. Power button, hose, attachment, but you don't really need none of the attachments to suck the water out. Your battery goes in here. And what I love is the battery and everything is up here. The water goes down at the bottom. So you don't have to worry about salt water corroding your contacts like it did for us on our Ryobi one. So I'll show you this side. This is where you dump your water. Dump it out, put the top back on, the latches, boom, you're good to go. So let me show you this baby in action. Okay, this is great if you're already a Milwaukee tool user. Here's our 18-volt battery. Take it, stick it down in there, lock it in place. You want to take your hose out, stick it out the side, shut your lid. Let's go suck some water. What I do is stick it in the footwell lightly, take the hose so it's facing this way towards the water, hit your power switch. Boom, all your water's gone. You can keep this water stains from messing up. You just go through, wipe it up with a towel. Water's good to go. I keep it in the back of the truck, get the salt water out, everything right at the spot, or I do it when I come back to the shop. So we'll show you another one here. Okay, now we're here on the tricks. So what we're gonna do is cut it on. While all your water's all gone, the mats are clean. We finished vacuuming 3 skis footwells to get the water out. So I just want to show you how much you can get done with this little thing and how much water is in there. That's how much water came out of 3 footwells. So even though this is only 2 gallons, it doesn't seem like much. Your normal water that you take out of your footwells from 2 jet skis doesn't add up to 2 gallons. This is 3. So you're good to go again. You're ready to get back on the ski. Everything's clean. Your SeaDek stays good and it makes it cleaned up easier. And you don't have to worry about keeping water in your footwell. So when you're finished, you just buckle the top back on, lift it back up, take your hose, lay it back in your machine, shut your lid. Now you're back to storage. Put it back up, you're good to go. So this is a great item. If you guys already got the Milwaukee stuff, go out and get it. Try to find one used. That's what we did. They're about 130 brand new, but I found one used on the Facebook market, and we keep one in the shop and I keep one in the truck. Works for cleaning real good. Works for sucking out these footwells. So this has been Cowboy B with another DIY hack to help you guys with your PWC needs. Peace.